Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing on Facebook app. For example, if you see that Facebook Marketplace is not showing in your shortcut bar, then how you can fix that? As you can see, there is no option of Facebook Marketplace. Then first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Facebook app, and after that you have to simply press and hold the Facebook app, and you have to simply go to app info. And if you are using iPhone IR device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and offload the app. And after that, what you have to do, if you are using Android device, you have to simply force stop the app, and here you have to simply clear the cache. And after clearing the cache, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Facebook app again, and you have to check whether it is showing or not. And if it is still not showing, then you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on settings, and in settings you have to scroll it down, and you have to click on navigation bar, and here you have to check whether that option is shown here or not. As you can see, that option is click on auto, but it is not showing. But you have to check it down that it is hidden. So what you have to do, you have to simply turn it to auto, and after that what you have to do, check whether it is shown here or not. As you can see, it is still not shown. What you have to do, you have to simply close the Facebook app after that, and you have to simply clear the apps from your device, and here you have to simply open the Facebook app again. As you can see, now it is shown on your Facebook app. In this way you can simply solve the problem of Facebook Marketplace not showing. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.